Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vaiot token, V-A-I-O-T, that's the name of the token. Ticker symbol is VAI. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this is an Ethereum token. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. Their Etherscan is on there. You can find it. You can buy this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, then going into the dApps, find Uniswap. Trade your Ethereum for the VAI token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their Etherscan, which is listed on CoinMarketCap. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Besides that, if you want to get it off a central exchange, you can get it off of Gate or KuCoin, and it is paired with USDT on both of those exchanges, and it's also paired with Ethereum on Gate. Now, according to their Etherscan here, it says they have 740 holders so far, 9,182 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 400 million tokens. On CoinMarketCap, you can find their webpage, which is Vaiot.ai, their Etherscan, price chart, contract address, Medium articles, Twitter, 2 different Telegrams, GitHub, and a full white paper. And when I say full white paper, I mean full white paper. It is a 127-page white paper, very extensive. You could read that for half a day if you have the time. We're definitely not going to do that in this video, though. We're just going to go over the cliff notes about what this project is all about here. So token price today is sitting at about 2 cents per token. So if you head over to Vaiot.ai, you could find info about use cases, roadmap, team. They even have an explainer video, solution section, where you can look over the technology overview, AI assistant, news and articles, contact info, all that type of stuff on here. So it says, AI developed in cooperation with IBM, intelligent services powered by the first VFAA-regulated digital asset. Vaiot offers a portfolio of blockchain-based artificial intelligence assistants for businesses and consumers to provide automated services and transactions, faster, easier, and affordable. Now, it says they've been featured in CoinDesk, Investing.com, NASDAQ, Cointelegraph, all sorts of different news article outlets. So the use cases here for Vaiot. One of them is an AI legal assistant, generating intelligent contracts, the concept of contracts, of smart contracts, through AI-driven conversational flows, focusing on both contract analysis and automatic creation of ready-to-sign traditional contracts and their digital equivalents. Second use case would be AI crypto protection broker and aggregator, an AI-driven solution that uses our AI assistance interface to aggregate products and services and distribute them to consumers through highly personalized offers and recommendations. Also, the AI merchant sales assistant, an AI assistant as a new digital channel for intelligent shopping, buying services, and conducting instant transactions, providing consumers with easier, faster, and more affordable ways to access services offered by various businesses. And each one of these use cases, you can click Learn More. It'll take you over to a document. So their latest update here, it says Vaiot's public testnet and user testing campaign is now live. We are excited to announce that Vaiot's public testnet will be officially launching. They already launched in April, so this is a late update, so this is available now. With an initial set of functionalities, Testnet 2, or the public testnet, features in the second stable release of the Vaiot chain and includes a governance module, infrastructure development tool, front-end application, and conversational AI lawyer, and fully functional Vaiot AI solutions. This public testnet aims to trail run, it says trail run, but I'm assuming they mean trial run, on all functionalities envisioned by the Vaiot Cosmos-based chain. The current functionalities of the testnet are firstly a fully operational block explorer with staking option. We invite everyone to participate in the testnet testing campaign and report bugs and new functionality ideas. Most active testers and contributors will be granted exciting rewards. Read more using the links below, and you can do that there. Also, invest in advanced AI and blockchain solutions today, regulated, audited, and transparent. Vaiot's AI tokens are regulated as virtual financial assets under Maltese law. According to the Virtual Financial Assets Act, our company, the project, and the token offerings itself were audited several times, verified, and approved by Grant Thornton and the Malta Financial Services Authority. We purposely chose regulated environment to provide our investors with the necessary security. So they have the Vaiot AI Assistant solutions developed with tech giants, real AI use cases for both businesses and consumers, token utility, strong team members, lots of Vaiot solutions here, intelligent contracts, powered by IBM Watson. So token allocation, 25% of the tokens go to staking rewards, 12% go to partners, 15% team, 32% token sale, and 6% advisors, and 10% ecosystem. And the tokens are used for payback bonus after a purchase is completed by the user in one of Vaiot's solutions, payment methods for goods and services offered by the Vaiot solutions, rewards for nodes securing the network, collateral for the price stabilization system, depositing in Vaiot's bonding system to access certain functionalities or use them as preferential terms, and units of account for transaction fees and intelligent contracts execution. So yeah, and then total supply, 400 million tokens like I mentioned earlier. So if you want to find more info, head over to Vaiot.ai, or you can click on their 127-page white paper available on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.